synthetic. Goodness. Make sure you twist it tight and just shake it up really. I don't know why I just didn't do this beforehand.
Let's try this again. Hey y'all, so I'm back to do a quick video with y'all today. First of all, just make sure you head over to Outray's page and click like on my picture. They featured me on their page because I love their hair. This is Outre hair too. I actually got a smaller curl pattern than I got last time. I got a 4A. The last time it was a 3C. So I'll do a review on this hair because I feel a little bit differently about this. On Instagram, I did a poll today and I asked you all if you want to see how I clean my scalp and my hair when I have crochet braids. Like when you get to getting stuff like this, like these knots here, I'm gonna show you how I freshen up my hair because I usually don't take out the hair until like week 2. If you want to see that, then just keep watching. To start off, obviously I want to clean my scalp. I get my trusty spray bottle. You know, all of us naturals, you know you got that spray bottle. Or even if you're not natural, like I'm sure you have some type of spray something. If you don't, go on down to the beauty supply store, get you a spray bottle. It's usually like, I don't know, like $1. I fill it like just a little bit with warm water, and I'm putting some essential oils in my water. So the oils that I put in there was peppermint, which is really good, especially for summertime. It gives you like this cooling sensation. Your head just smells so good. Tea tree oil, which is really good for like build up and things like that, and eucalyptus. I want a towel. I'm gonna spray this through and just massage with my fingers. So when I'm spraying my hair with the water, I'm gonna spray till majority of that water is gone in the water bottle. So I'm just gonna keep spraying over and over and over again until I use up most of it. So after I sprayed my hair with the water, what I'm gonna do is seal that moisture in. One thing I've learned since reading up about natural hair is like with your natural hair, you definitely wanna make sure that any type of moisture you're putting in there, you wanna seal it. I'm using this Bronner Brothers Jamaican black castor oil infused with rosemary. I got it at the beauty supply, straight onto my scalp through all my parts. So I suggest you find any oil that your hair responds really well to. Mine just so happens to really like black castor oil. And then I also take a little bit on my fingers and I just rub it in here on my edges because edges are important. Now my hair is cleansed. I won't say it's all clean, but it's cleansed and oiled up. And so it feels fresh, but it don't look fresh. I see what is like coming off. Like this, I don't need that. So I just cut it off. I'm just cutting off anything that looks like straggly, like stringy like that, like or knotted. You don't have to be too precise with this. Just cut off anything that looks stringy or like it's about to get matted. This is one side like fully, I feel like it's fully fluffed and like zhuzhed and it looks a little bit better. And this side looks like what's the fuck happened. This is how much I cut out. So that is how I spruce my hair up when I feel like that's usually what I do, like maybe one weekend or whatever, like a Friday night before I'm about to head out and I want my hair to be a little refreshed. The last thing I'm gonna show you guys is how I sleep with my crochet braids. I take a scarf. This is my silky bedtime scarf. We all have one. And I pineapple my hair on top of my head. I flip my hair over and I'm just making sure I pull all of my hair like to the top of this. And I just wrap the scarf around and tie a knot at the back. Pull everything up. And I pull my scarf up. Now you can leave it like this. This is probably how you're gonna catch me like rocking around the house. Sometimes I will tuck it in like this. So you wanna make sure you have an extra big scarf for this. Just tuck that end piece under and then you just pull this in so that your hair is not out or exposed or anything. But most of the time, I just let it hang out on a silk pillow, of course. So that's it, y'all. That is my whole crochet maintenance video. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it, my maintenance video. For the most part, I can say y'all are probably gonna see me with crochet braids for most of the summer. I'm not even gonna lie. So you guys requested it, I provided. Again, please make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can vote on things like this and know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You're all the way at the end of this video and you liked it enough to keep watching, so thumbs up and subscribe, okay? Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you next time.